Do you want to feel healthy and strong? Exercise is one of the best ways to care for your body. Hello everyone, and welcome back. This is an A1 English listening practice lesson. Today we are talking about exercise and fitness. Listen carefully and enjoy learning English. Everyone needs exercise. It helps our bodies stay healthy. Exercise also helps our minds feel better. Many people exercise every day. Some people exercise in the morning, and others exercise in the evening. There are many kinds of exercise. Everyone can find something they enjoy. Many people like walking because it is easy and free. Running is good for your heart, and it helps you stay active. Some people enjoy swimming, especially on hot days. Swimming is a great exercise because it uses your whole body. Some people go to the gym, and others prefer to exercise at home. At home, many people watch exercise videos and follow simple workouts. You do not need expensive equipment. A small space is often enough. Stretching is very important because it helps your body stay flexible. Many people stretch before exercise, and they stretch again after they finish. Some people enjoy yoga because it is relaxing and healthy. Others like dancing because it is fun and keeps the body moving. Many people enjoy sports like football, basketball, or volleyball. The most important thing is to keep moving. Even 20 or 30 minutes each day can help. Exercise can make you stronger, healthier, and happier. It is a great habit for everyone. Some people exercise every day, and some people exercise only a few times each week. Any exercise is better than no exercise, and every small step is important. Drinking enough water helps your body, and healthy food gives you more energy. Eating fruit and vegetables is good for your health, and they help you stay strong. Getting enough sleep is also important because your body needs time to rest. Exercise is more fun when you do it with your family or your friends. Some people listen to music while they exercise, and it helps them stay happy. You do not have to be fast or strong. Just do your best and keep trying. Everyone starts somewhere, and practice helps you improve every day. I feel happy after I exercise, and I have more energy during the day. Exercise helps me feel relaxed, and it helps me sleep better at night. There are many ways to stay active. You can walk, run, swim, dance, or play sports. Choose an activity you enjoy, and make exercise part of your daily life. Now I have a few questions for you. What is your favorite exercise? Do you like exercising at home or at the gym? How many days a week do you exercise? Do you like walking, running, or swimming the most? Write your answers in the comments below. If you enjoyed this lesson, please like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more English listening practice. Don't forget to turn on the notification bell. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next lesson.